Hello. In this tutorial we'll learn, once you have finished your art project, how you will coat it to make it weatherproof and water resistant. This is a coaster with an art made with acrylic paint. First, you have to ensure that it is completely dry. Now, we will apply varnish on it. Varnish is a traditional chemical used to coat all kinds of surface to build on its durability. Varnish usually is a solvent base. You can thin it down by using a thinner. It is advisable to use it in an open space due to its very strong odor. Once applied, it will slightly change the color of the product. Varnishes are available in two types of finish, glossy and matte. The one used here is glossy. You can use matte finish if you don't want sheen on your completed art project. There's a third kind of product available with PU base. It's like plastic or touchwood. It's a little different than varnish and is more suitable for indoor projects. Here we are using a touchwood. This has less odor, therefore convenient to use. You can also use PU based product as your final coating for your art project. You can find more details of all the mentioned products in the description below. Varnish is also available in spray form. If you have any art form with mixed media like in this, both pen and color is used, it is advisable to use varnish in spray form on these products. Make sure you are in a well ventilated open space so that it doesn't fume you. You spray it directly on the product and let it dry. Spray form of varnish again comes in both glossy and matte base, to choose from as per your project requirement. Once the varnish is applied, you need to let it dry for at least 12 to 14 hours in open space. And if you feel you need another coat, you can apply it again. Thank you for watching.